students, today we will discuss about the equation of sphere when coordinate of diameter is given. Now equation of sphere with given diameter, let AB is diameter and such that coordinate of A is x1 y1 z1 and coordinate of B is x2 y2 z2. Then equation of sphere will be x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2 equal to 0. You can understand by this figure. It is sphere and AB is diameter. AB is diameter. Let us suppose P is any point on this. Then this will be 90-degree angle. It means it will be perpendicular to each other because angle in semicircle is right angle. So AP and PP both will be perpendicular to each other and coordinate of A is x1 y1 z1 and coordinate of B is x2 y2 z2 and let coordinate of P is x y z. Now AP perpendicular BP, both are perpendicular to each other, so product of their direction ratio A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. So on the basis of this, here x minus x1 will be A1, from here x minus x2 will be A2. Now A1 A2, it means x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus same way y minus y1 B1 and y minus y2 B2. So B1 into B2, y minus y1 into y minus y2. Same way z minus z1 into z minus z2 equal to 0. So you will get equation of sphere on the basis of coordinate of diameter given. Now come to the question. Find the equation of sphere join of this and this as a diameter. Coordinate of diameter is given. You have to find equation of sphere. Now you know direct by formula x minus x1 into x minus x2. Let us suppose this coordinate is x1, it is y1 and it is z1. Same way it is x2, y2 or z2. Now x minus x1, x1 is 2, so x minus 2 into x minus x2, x2 is 3, x minus 3 plus y minus y1, y1 is minus 3, y minus y2, y2 is minus 1. Same way z minus z1 is 1, z minus z2, z2 is 2. Now x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus minus minus it will be plus y plus 3. Same way minus minus plus y plus 1 plus z minus 1 into z minus 2 equal to 0. Now you will simplify it after multiplying. When you will multiply x in both the terms, x into x, x square minus x into 3, 3x minus 2x minus minus plus it will be 2 into 3, 6. Same way y into y, y square, y into 1, y, 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 1, 3 plus same way z into z, z square, z into minus 2, minus 2z minus 1 into z minus z minus 1 into minus 2, that will be plus 2 equal to 0. Now x square, first we will write squares terms, x square plus y square plus z square minus 3x minus 2x, it will be minus 5x, y plus 3y 4y minus 2z minus z minus 3z, so 2 plus 3 5 or 6 11. So it will be your equation of sphere when coordinate of diameter A, let us suppose that is AB, coordinate of diameter is given, so it will be your required equation of sphere. Now another question, find the equation of sphere with center. This time center, coordinate of center is given and touching the plane. Sphere touch the plane. Coordinate of center is given. Let us suppose it is your sphere and it is your plane. So center of this sphere and equation of plane is given. So it will be this points. Coordinate of center of sphere is 2, 3, minus 4. So this will be perpendicular to plane. Now center of sphere is 2, 3, minus 4. Radius of sphere equal to length of the perpendicular. Length of the perpendicular from the center to the coordinate of center is this on the plane. Plane equation of plane is 2x plus 6y minus 3z plus 15 equal to 0. So radius according to this perpendicular distance, you know perpendicular distance formula. If equation of plane is such type, say x plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 and if perpendicular coordinates perpendicular distance from point x1, y1, z1, it will be ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon under root coefficient of x, y, z, a square plus b square plus c square. It is perpendicular distance formula from given point on the plane. It will be modulus value because distance cannot be negative, so you will mark modulus sign, or you can say absolute value. So on the basis of this formula, here is 2 into x1. x1, that is coordinate of center of sphere, that is 2. x 2 into 2 plus 6 into y replaced by 3 minus 3 into z, z minus 4 plus 15 as it is upon under root. Coefficient of x is 2 square plus coefficient of y is 6 square plus coefficient of z minus 3 square. Or 2 into 2 4 plus 6 into 3 18 minus 3 into minus 4, that will be 12 positive plus 15 upon under root 2 square 4, 6 square 36 minus 3 square 9. So 4 plus 18 22 plus 12 plus 15, it will be 49 upon 4 plus 36 40 plus 9 49. Under root 49 it will be 7, or 7 7 is 49. So radius will be 7. This time coordinate of center given and radius you calculate, that is radius is 7 and coordinate of center is 2 3 minus 4. So you know formula for equation of sphere. It will be your formula x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus z minus gamma whole square equal to r square. Alpha beta gamma, it is the coordinate of center of sphere, that is given, and r is radius that you calculated. So put the value of alpha 2, beta 3 and gamma is minus 4, and minus plus 4 whole square equal to r square, it means 7 square. So here you have to apply two identity, that is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. And you know both the identity, a plus b whole square, it is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So on the basis of these two identity, you will simplify it. A minus b whole square, it means x square plus 2 square 4 minus 2ab, 2 into x into 2 4x. Same way y minus 3 whole square, z plus 4 whole square, 7 square 49. Now you will simplify it. First you will write square term x square y square z square minus 4x minus 6y plus 8z. Now 4 plus 9 13 plus 16 29. For this 49 you will take in left hand side, sign will be changed, minus 49. So 29 minus 49, it will be minus 20. X square plus y square plus z square minus 4x minus 6y plus 8z minus 20 equal to 0. It will be your final equation for sphere when coordinate of center given and touch the plane. Thank you.